Message in dan la rewde. La second message ko la rote message mo ga Gambella. La Nuer kon ta Gambella. So go yo yen Nuer Gambella bi ara palpinyo goy. Bi aling. Ko community te ji corona ter yar lat. So ji kind la ji kind na ter. Aro na ter. She pot ka my wood. She pot ko lang. She pro long shuk. Cái điều chỉ có rồi barre lên Ethiopia. So you get one year which may you work year which may because you know the border can year con. So the content in the water okay now Burubi. Burubi you kind of call you what Burubi you kind natter. As you kind ken like you kind Ethiopia. This year manaki and the Margariam Yagawajak queer border Ethiopia. So it's very good for them to take a new Kudian, they get a Jalagamo, they can do the one. So maybe you can't do no matter you can get a Korwaja Ethiopia. Chubu Malagu Jani, as PDF, Jalogian, Jacagor, the one who do Burubi. So we all hear about Burubi, Burubi 10, Kumula Burubi, Korwala Barama, Bad, me another Mayaka. So maybe you know Burubi. You can't take on the yen another. You want to mean they are fighting this group. They war again. So me Kurwini, you have a Kuruchoku, the border, the cross. Take you kind of call the Arabanata, you got a Madgarakin, the Kujimire Landikin. They are fighting the enemy non war. This area alone, the problem you know, could a large message of when yen to kind of call to Ethiopia. Go yen. Take a mission or a talk you collaborate with Adu. Yaramat, the enemy Nuer, la enemy Nenukun. Shaji and Shawaka Point, you can buy your take a bargamate. It is also Sudanese, Chica Bengalan of Ethiopia, now they are causing Abok. No Mushakal border. We should. And we are hearing all the plan of Ethiopian government go on and intervene. Border. Ethiopia will intervene the border, a woman war con the Jarret Changi. Because you will we are come problem again in Tino. Here you surrender, another may kundi another capi. And the whole objective will bring the Ethiopian government to the border. Number I believe. Again, Navanga, Yen Nuer, Tilanor, you can't be that to take Ethiopia. So, I know. A collaboration with the Kadu, Vitne Nukun again, your people, your own people. About tell me Motrust, like on Oradian. And who story? Again, Kuna learn me. Yen word to call Gambella, Lanora Gambella, Kayen Jakai. Said a duck can work with Jakai to call the Ganather and the Gama wood to go low shook, to the go lang. Ngay name background mo yan kel siya dangaro de ga nos kana South Korea the shame more kunpi me shame man kunpi that situation of border to take no ro kuimi no ro kuimi hiyo South Sudan kana Ethiopia karawade men kula story me changa e Gambella ku original story Gambella like ni region 12 region 9 whatever you call it like in regional politics Africa. And we're not only Ethiopia, Yadak, Nor Ethiopia, nor South Sudan, we deal the content. Yagadano, colonial legacy. Legacy that they take a colony Yagadaga we. But don't be you take example even in Ethiopia itself. Take Somalia, Ethiopia, Somalia. Take Oromo, Ethiopia, Oromo, Kenya. Take a far Ethiopia, a far Djibouti. Take a Nuer Ethiopia, a Nuer South Sudan. Again, take a Tigray Eritrea, a Tigray Ethiopia. This is how the colonial legacy divide the African country. Not only we talk about you come to Rwanda, you come to Kenya, you come to Uganda, to work South Africa, twice, and there are many things to do raised to enter. Can die at now. I can give you one example. Currently, mataka Congo, mataka Eastern Congo, we all M23, ling yene, in ideal. So, on Koru Metu Gorodo Medan is a try, a dorkel. Rwanda, Burundi, Congo, to do the Ara we are Dakati. Don't we all Tutsi, Kalur we all Wutu. Tutsi, Chatan Latke Eastern Congo. Wutu, Chatan Latke Eastern Congo. Tutsi, Chatan Nanga Burundi. Wutu, Chatan Nanga Burundi. You really into Rwanda, can do a Daro. So when there is a problem in Burundi, there is a problem in Rwanda. When there is a problem in Rwanda, there is a problem in Eastern Congo. Kudi, a problem to do Dara in that country, we do kill a TV which won't kill about audience war. And will be the Tutsi, he began to take a Kumba, Kaba Rwanda, is because of support from all those Tutsi in the region, made on a Kaba Kuma Wutuni, 1994, Melaka genocide. So, and system which is a Mokakan Tutsi. It is now quite replicate. We hear about M23. M23 over bomb, have a core terror, but a region, the curb, have a chumnako government of Congo over threat. Congo is a country of 80 million people. Red door, quite threat. And the reason quite threat is because they get support from Dorian. From Dorian, Rwanda. Paul Kagame is supporting M23 because he's a Tutsi late rebel. Paul Kagame is in Rwanda as a president. Milini Tutsi led government. So they're supporting themselves. No, but I one can this example one. Dorun kujimi. We take a problem that country is your own problem. We are here together. Politically, we are fact. South Sudan is stable money and you are stable there. It happened. South Sudan where it was stable, Ethiopia, Gambella. One of you they come to South Sudan. And now Ethiopia is growing, Gambella, you can say it. Because of the resource they get South Sudan. That are your people. So message mo weka yeko and wherever you are, Mijiran Gambella, Nuer of Gambella, the word South Sudan is your problem. The example being no go Nuer the shooter two Nakanather, two Nakapagak on your yacht. So here are them at time over corporate. Adu. Guru and Nuer they destroy the border of Ethiopia. When you are there, so you think about it. And you can be a child of a message.